I will be at home tomorrow. She will be happy to see you. We will be ready by 9 a.m. I will be busy in the evening. He will be back in an hour. It will be a fun event. They will be surprised. Will be fine after some rest. She will be a good doctor. We will be friends forever. You will be happy with the results. I will be ready by 9 a.m. She will be happy to see you. We will be late for the meeting. I will be a doctor in 5 years. They will be classmates next year. The weather will be pleasant tomorrow. He will be tired after the journey. I will be in the office at 10. They will be excited about the trip. I will be with my parents this weekend. This will be your seat. The building will be ready next year. It will be a long day. She will be a speaker at the event. The room will be clean before guests arrive. We will be in Pune next week. The shop will be open till 10. She will be a great teacher. It will be cold in December. They will be at the party tonight. He will be at home tomorrow. It will be ready by tonight. It will be useful for everyone. He will be famous one day. I will be at the airport by 6 p.m. We will be on vacation next month. She will be in her office. You will be tired after the trip. They will be here soon. It will be cold next week. He will be late for the meeting. You will be fine after some rest. The teacher will be strict. You will be a great teacher.